Where does the name for Gorsedd come from? So today I'm in a small village in Flintshire called Gorsedd. Let's get into the name. Now there are a couple of theories as to what Gorsedd means, and I think one of them is more likely than the other. Now, Gorsedd is one of those words that's actually changed quite a bit over time. Originally, a Gorsedd meant something like a burial mound or a tumulus, but over time it's come to mean a throne, and by extension, a court as well. Now, the first theory is that it means burial mound, and to be honest, I find this the most believable one because all the way around the village are burial mounds. Now, the second theory is that originally the village name was Gorsedd yr Iarll. Now, Gorsedd is here a throne or a court. Yr means the, and Iarll means Jarl, and is named supposedly after one of the Jarls of Cheshire who owned land in this area, but I find that a bit less likely. So the name literally means the burial mound. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.